Welcome to our channel once again. Today we'll be discussing another important topic again, subtraction of whole numbers. How do we subtract whole numbers? It's also very simple. Okay, so please follow these videos from beginning to the end and let's see how we carry out operations under what whole number, how we subtract whole numbers. For instance, you have something like this. Let's say you have 96. You are asked to take away or subtract 34 from A. 34. 96 minus 34. What does this mean? It means you have 6 oranges. Take away what? 4 oranges from it. Okay? This is Joshua having 96 oranges. And then you are now asked to give what? Now said I should give Uche 34 orange out of my what? 96 orange. Okay? So Joshua has what? 96 oranges. And I'm asked to give Uche 34 oranges. So what will I do? How will I do that? So after giving Uche 34 oranges, how many oranges will I have remaining with me? So how do we do that? I'll take what? This is 6 here now. This is 4. I'll take away 4 from 6. Okay? It's like saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what happened? Take away 4 from it. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many is remaining? 1, 2. So you write down what? You write down the 2 here. Okay? Using our counting, write down 2. So we'll come down to this side again. This is what? 9. Again, that is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Take away what? We're going to take away what? 3 from it now. 1, 2, 3. How many is remaining? Let's count together. This is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 here. So that is it. Not difficult at all. So 96 minus 34 will give us what? 62. Will give us what? 62. So that is it. Not difficult. Now, sometimes we can have a different type of question. Maybe we have like 3 digits. Like let's take for instance another one again. 7, 6, 5 minus 5, 2, 4. Good. Yeah. So something like this. We have our unit. We have our tens. We have our 100. Simple as this. Say subtract this. This is what? 5 minus 4. That means can 5 show? Take away what? 4 from it. What will be remaining? We have what? 1. Not difficult. Very simple. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take away what? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is remaining? 1. You write it down. We are doing what? Subtraction or take away. Now we come down to this side. Now we have what? 6. 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2 is like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take away 2. 1, 2. So that means remaining 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is what? We have 4 here. And this is what? 7 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Take away what? 5 or subtract 5. That gives us what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is remaining? 1, 2. So this is what? 2. So that is it. Very what? Simple. It's not difficult at all. Our children, you agree with me that subtracting one number from the other is not what? It's not difficult, but very what? Simple. Okay? Sometimes you can have a word problem like, okay, Mr. Tunde bought 17 oranges, or Mr. Tunde bought 560 oranges, and on his way back from the market, he gave 113 of it to his friend. How many oranges does he have left? How many oranges does he have left? Such question is very simple. All you need to do, just arrange them like this, okay? And then when you are subtracting, always make sure that the bigger number, let it be in the numerator, let it be on top. While the other one be what? You put it below, okay? For instance, like the example I just used now, that Mr. Tunde went to the market, for instance, and bought let's say 869 mangoes. 869 mangoes. This is what Mr. Tunde bought from the market. 869 mangoes. Now, on his way back from the market, he saw his friend. James. And he said, "Oh, James, what are you doing?" Mr. James said, "Okay, please, can you give me like 150 oranges from your orange?" Okay, so he gave James how many? 50 oranges from his what? 869 mango. Now the question now says, how many oranges has Mr. James left? Okay, Mr. Tunde left because Mr. Tunde bought this and he gave James this. How many oranges is left with Mr. Tunde? Please, when you are subtracting, take note of this. Don't make the mistake of doing this 150 minus 869. Don't do this. No, it's wrong. It's wrong. Always make sure that the number that is bigger, okay, let it always be in the numerator. So that will be what? 869 minus 150. Like this. So when you arrange like this, you can be certain that you get your answer. So when you are subtracting, what? 9 take away 0, still give us 9. 6 minus 5 will give us 1. 8 minus 1 will give us what? 7. So that means that Mr. Tunde will be having what? 719 mangoes left with him. So please, even if it's a word problem, don't be scared. Just read the question, pay attention, try to understand what the question is asking you to do. Just arrange it. I can assure you, you will get your answer. Now, sometimes you can be having subtraction like this. For instance, you are asked to subtract. Let's say, for instance, you have 935 minus, let's say, 378. Good. Good. Now we have this now. You have to subtract this. This is what 5 take away 8. Is it possible? Don't make the mistake of saying, okay, since it's like, so this is what 8 minus 5. So you now write down what? 3. No, don't do that. Don't do that. If you do that, you go wrong. This was 5 minus what? 8. But it's not possible because 5 is smaller than what? Than 8. So what will I do? I will move over to the next number here, which is 2, to do what? To borrow. Okay? I will borrow 1. So I have 3 here. I will borrow 1. It will remain 2. If I take away 1 from 3, it will remain 2. Please always remember to write down whatever that is remaining. Don't just cancel borrow without writing down what is remaining so that you won't make the mistake. And always cancel it. So I borrowed 1 from what? From 3. It remains what? 2 there. I will drop the 1 there. That 1 I'm bringing, you know I'm bringing it from the tens. That 1 I'm bringing is 10. So it's like saying 10 plus 5. So here I'll be having what? 15. Okay? 1, 5, 15. So I will now say 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8. So you can do your counting, you can do your stroke, okay? Or if you have your counting jotter, you can count them together, okay? Count whatever you are using to count, you can count or use your stroke. You find that 15 minus 8 will give us what? 7. So 15 minus 8 is what? Is 7. Here we are left with what? With 2. 2 minus 7. Is it possible? 2 is also very, very smaller than what? Than 7. So what will I do? I will come over to this number here now. That is the next one, which is 9. I will borrow 1 from it, and it will remain what? 8. So that one I'm borrowing now, I will drop it here now. Okay, so it becomes what here now? It becomes 12. Okay, so this becomes what? 12. So 12 minus 7. 12 minus 7 will give us what? 5. Okay, so here now I'm left with what? 8 here. So 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 is also what? 5. So our answer will be what? 500 and what? 57. 557. So this is how we do what? We subtract. Sometimes we do what? We move over to the next number to borrow. Now there's something I've experienced in my course of teaching. There are some children, if they want to solve questions like this, you know what they will do? They will just jump down to this number. They want to subtract this. 5 minus 8 is not possible. They will just jump down to this number here. Okay? They will just jump down to 9 and start to borrow from what? From 9 straight to what? To 5 here. No. Take it step by step. When you take it step by step, I assure you, you will not miss it out. You will be able to answer the question correctly and you get your answer. So this is how we subtract whole numbers from one another. It's not difficult, you agree with me today, isn't it? If you enjoy what you have watched, remember to click the like button and share this video with your friends and family. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, just click the subscription button. It's actually free. It doesn't cost you anything to click that button. Click it and click the notification button so that whenever I upload new videos, you will be notified of them. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.